We've all had airport journeys that take us to multiple airports. But what happens when your wife and multiple people are contacting the airport police? On December 7th, 2024, the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that passenger.
The police officer is pointing at me right now.
What did he do
I'm the one that's called.
Huh, what happened up here?
Now he's starting to curse up everywhere, but he's...
What do you mean you couldn't find me?
Oh.
Man, what's going on before we got over here, man?
You know, I'm going to have you please have a seat for a second. I'll catch up with you in a second, okay?
You can hang up the phone if that's your wife, because we've been talking with her this past hour and trying to find you.
So now, Officer Lambert at where we're at, Denver Airport, is coming up and telling me to hang up. And now another officer and another officer's.
Really?
Okay.
Yeah, it's Randy.
All right, I will. I'll catch up with y'all later, okay? All right, bye.
Well, he was telling me to sit down and wait for him to finish this conversation.
Hey, may I please? I'm trying to hang up on this thing, man. I can't figure out how to do it.
So, Randy, man, we've gotten a couple of calls on you today. We're just making sure your wife. I've talked to your wife.
You know who my wife is? I'm not married. But go ahead, please. Go ahead.
Who's Pamela?
Who's Pamela?
Pamela. Yeah, Pamela's my partner.
Your partner.
Yeah.
Okay, I apologize. Well,
No
I
problem.
have talked to Pamela. She's worried about you.
All right.
She was almost wanting to do a missing persons report on you.
All right.
So we've got calls saying that you were intoxicated, you missed your flight, you ran all over the place. We're just trying to figure that out, man. What's going on?
I was trying to get the fuck out of here.
Well,
All right. So, can we go outside and I can have a cigarette while we discuss it?
Well,
Is that an option?
If your end goal is to fly out, you're not going to be able to get back in at this terminal at this time if you go out and smoke.
Well, I have no option to leave. I don't believe at all right now.
as far as like flying out?
Yeah.
Have you talked to the airlines? Have they given you a new ticket or anything? No?
No.
Okay.
There's the bottom line is maybe I drank too much today. Maybe the airlines overserved me a little bit. That's not the problem. I'm only really trying to get the hell home. Surely. I came out here to surprise visit my folks. Alright, so, this is all the shit I got. Can we go outside and can I have a cigarette with you guys? Is that an option?
Right now, man, we're trying to make sure that you're able to take care of yourself.
Alright, I am.
Okay. So
I am.
Can you? Okay, and what I would like to believe you, I really would, but can you mind answering a couple?
No,
simple
not
questions
one
for me?
bit. Help
Okay.
throw it at me.
You know where you're at right now?
Yeah.
Where are you?
I'm in the Denver airport.
All right.
You know what day of
Or
the week it is?
rather, the Dallas airport. Pardon.
Okay.
Okay, so carry
Go
on.
ahead.
You know what day of the week it is?
This is Saturday. I went earlier this afternoon and I watched my niece and my nephew both play basketball in a small town in Kansas. Yeah. So, after I get home this afternoon, my partner's going to go to Miami tomorrow. And then I'll take care of my kiddies on Sunday and through the rest of the week. So I told you earlier I'm in Dallas right now.
So
When was the last time you had a drink?
At the airport in Wichita.
So you haven't had anything since you've been here in Dallas.
No, I had literally 3. I had 2 tall boys and a small one in Wichita. I paid good money for that.
yeah, airports are expensive.
Yeah.
Did you drink on the plane? Because you said the
No.
airlines overserved you.
Well, they did. I had while I had 2 big beers and a small beer, in Wichita, once I got on the plane, I also had a couple of drinks.
Okay, so you did have drinks on the plane.
I did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you remember about what time you landed here?
This is Dallas. This would have been like 6 or so p.m.
Okay. Without looking at your phone or your
No.
watch, do you have any idea what time it might be right now?
You know, in Dallas.
Yeah, just
You know,
local
I'm
time.
guessing it's probably about 7 p.m. right now, 8 p.m. right now. When I get back home earlier or later on tonight, with my flight, I'm set to arrive at 9:30 p.m. in Portland, and that's 7:30 or rather 11:30 p.m. here. So it's a little late, and I woke up too at 7:30 a.m. this morning. So I've been up probably longer than both of you guys. All right, never mind. Go ahead.
No, man. Hey, Randy, you're okay. Hold on one second.
We're gonna give Pamela a call just so she can get updated. She's been asking for her update from us.
Yeah, fine. That's my girl. She can still kiss my ass. But
It's not very nice.
you giving me a hard time about my fucking relationship?
She give you a hard time.
You know? You married?
Man,
You married? How long you been married?
it's none of your business.
No. See this ring right here? Right there? This fucking thing's been on longer than you've been alive, motherfucker. I'm just saying. Alright, okay, so we can judge each other. But
judge you at
I'm
all.
telling you, we don't need to judge each other.
haven't judged you
Judging
one
each
bit.
other is not what it is about.
All I said is telling your partner to say kiss your ass is probably not very nice to say.
Yeah, well, she can kiss my ass when it comes to the simplest. She's texting me right there. What'd she say? She said, I love you. It's okay. I just want you home safe. You leave that airport soon. Yeah, I'm with her on that. You know what?
That's a nice thing to say.
Yeah, it is. She's fine. Hey, I'm not against you. I'm not.
I haven't taken
But I
anything
am.
personal, man.
I am thirsty as a motherfucker. So my mouth is so dry.
I haven't seen that.
All right, no, I'm just grabbing it. And if I may, I would love to put a little water in this thing because look, there's nothing in there at all, dude. I'm so parched.
Look, this
All right,
I haven't
fine.
seen that. You're
Okay,
a little
fine.
wobbly right now.
Okay.
Like, so you're to transfer to entry 9 or a cover unit.
I can offer you something to do,
Yeah.
but this is really not what y'all should be doing. Because I'm a really decent person anyway.
Never said you weren't.
All right.
Just gotta make sure you're
Hey,
good.
what's your name? First name only.
We don't give first names out, man.
What's your name? No, not your last name, your first name. All right. Hi, Sergeant Callan.
9 upper level.
Is that Pam? Are you talking to Pam?
He is.
Hi, Pam.
He's saying hi.
Hi, babe.
Just
This is fucking weird, man.
okay. I will let him. Okay, this one.
All right, Randy, stand up for me.
No problem.
All right, go ahead and turn around.
Turn this off.
Yeah, you can take it
Yeah,
off.
you can take it off. Okay. Straight up, all that's going to happen, you're going to
Probably.
sleep it off.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
it.
No problem.
Okay? And you're
No
going to catch
problem.
your flight tomorrow. So just
No problem.
turn around and face
That's
that
cool.
way, face
Okay,
the windows.
no problem.
Okay. There you go.
Is this all your stuff that you
Public intoxication.
have? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I get it. I've been there before. Would you very please, would you help me put some water in my mouth?
We can in about 5 minutes. At the
All right,
jail,
okay,
they'll get
cool.
you all the water, snack,
All right,
whatever
fine.
you need.
All right, fine. Thank you. No problem. Take your time. Take your time. It's all good, dude. This is the reason why I should never
Like, we
fly
have one
over.
in custody for PI. We'll get an ID here in a second.
I'm gonna take this place
No
off.
problem.
It's coming
Do whatever
with
you like.
It's coming with it. Is that? Oh, okay. All right. Hold on. Quick one.
I'm just pulling the sleeve up so you can access it better.
All right. Perfect. Thank you.
You're no problem.
All right. There we go.
No problem. Thank you for allowing me to do that.
You're welcome, my friend. All
Is
right.
that your ticket down here too?
Yeah, maybe. You know, you grab it. It's fine.
Wait a minute, hold on. I had a,
No, we on the same team.
well, I had a pep talk with you. I told y'all to call in the gas.
We on the same team. I'm telling you.
I stay
we
over
on the
there,
same
because I don't
team.
want to talk to you. You supposed to drink some coffee, Mr. Hall.
Go ahead, let her rip.
Yeah, you supposed to drink some
That's
coffee.
you got.
You supposed to have coffee. You said you was going to take some coffee and drink some coffee, Mr. Hall.
What did I do that?
Oh, you know what? I said, Mr. Hall, I said, would you like some coffee? You said, yeah, I can use some of that. You know what? Take, my friends are going to take you to your
I
new
like
home.
this lady. I want you to allow me some space.
Ain't no space. Get up out of here. I told you.
You're my girl. Go ahead, whatever you need.
No, you're good.
I defer, man. He's here for me. They are there for you.
He's a good guy.
All right.
He'll
All
take
right,
good care
no
of you.
problem. Hi.
How are you?
I'm all right.
Alright.
Yeah.
All right, let's go up here, my friend.
All right.
We're gonna all your stuff.
I'm gonna head back and get that TSA notification. Just walk past that. There's the water. No problem. Alright, go ahead and take a step up in there.
Appreciate you.
Yes, sir.
Ouch.
It'll be just like a 5-minute ride
No
down there. We'll
problem.
get you out of here.
No
Alright.
problem, dude. Come on, not my first public intoxication in Texas.
Okay, so you
Plano.
know the drill.
Plano.
Plano got you.
Yeah, Plano got me.
Yeah, I know a couple guys out there. They'll get you too. I got you. All right, same time for us. All right.
Fine. No problem.
What a sweet guy.
Yeah, it was cool.
Did you already go through this one?
Not that one, no.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.